And here's the shoes, and we're gonna fit some of these shoes for today. And I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! So imagine I started for 3 or 4 pairs of shoes, and then now I have this one for 4 months. How much more? 4 years. So I have a terrace. Then I was planning to close that up for my collections for shoes or clothing. Well, like that. We'll see if there's more donations comes for shoes. So this one is in Malaysia. Subscribers that he's doing the custom video for me. So I have this a subscribers that's always donating me shoes every month. So he's giving shoes, 1 pair of shoes per month every month. So thank you so much again. Then the rest of the shoes is from one of my very good friend, my followers. So most of these shoes, so this is just the shoes for 4 months, and then that's all for now, and we're gonna fit some of the shoes, so we'll see. So today's video, I'm wearing the when I'm doing vlog, I'm wearing this one. Transparent. So we have to wear one of the shoes, like you saw this already in my driving videos. And then this one, and the red shoes, you also see that one in my driving. So far you see it all, but then we can just model for 1 pair of shoes for today. And okay, let's get started. So this is the transparent shoes from one of my, I have to hide the junk stuff of my. So this one, and then the other one. And next shoes, I have I will count how many pairs of shoes I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 40, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 60. Oh my, to wear. I like this one, soft. So that would be all for now, and see you next vlog. Well, anyway, more driving videos to come, and if you want to watch a longer video, don't forget to click the join button level 3. I rarely updated to level 1 and 2, so I suggest to go on level 3. So I hope to see you next vlog. Here's the shoes that I have now. Bye, and love you all. So this is the shoes I collected within 4 months. So I'm gonna use these shoes for my driving videos and also for custom videos. So if you want a custom video, just message me to my Facebook page, Course Vlog. And also, I hope you enjoyed this short vlog, and see you next. And if you want to join for my membership, just click the join button level 3, and then hope to see you there. Bye.
and people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.